Hey, I just wanted to take a moment to share with you guys an issue that we had with all of our drawings and stuff that came up during designer training. So if you look at here in this particular drawing, if I can zoom up and see, and you see how we've got the gaps in the various connections there with the verticals to the top shelf. And we struggled to figure out how that was occurring, but I think in talking with Shay the other day, she gave me some information that I wanted to pass along to everyone here as well. So I'm going to go to the return to the build tool. And if you look at just this particular island, you can kind of see it to where there's gaps there too. So what you want to do is, and we'll look at it in 3D just to verify, but if you look at the drawing in 3D, yeah, you can see the gaps and stuff there as well. So we're going to see how to fix that. So once you get to the return build tool, and the only way we've seen to do this to fix this is to go wall by wall to do it, but it's not that complicated. You're just going to select any section. We're going to go to section 1 and go to edit unit. And once you click on edit unit, you're going to go to customize unit. So once we go to customize unit, we're not going to do anything to it. We're just going to click on submit. And once we do that submit, that should fix it here. So we're going to go to the 3D view and look. And if you look at the 3D view, you have some of that. Let's see here. It doesn't show it there. It looks like it's still on the end, but it looks like it fixed part of it. So I'm going to try this on another wall, and it could be that it's connected to another wall. So let's look at all walls in 3D. No, it hasn't fixed it there. It's not fixing it on the end panel, so let's try this again. We're going to go change all of the walls and see what that does. So let's go to wall 1. Looks like there's gaps there. We're going to go to this section, do edit, and customize unit, submit. Maybe that helps. We might have to go to section 2 to do that as well. That looks like it fixed it there. So let's view this wall in 3D. Looks like it closed all the gaps on it. We'll try the second section. That one looks good, but we're just going to take a peek and see. That's good there. Let's try wall 3 again. I'm going to go to this section and edit it and see if that makes a difference. Go to customize unit, click submit. It looks like that cleaned it up there. So let's view this wall in 3D. It looks like it did it there. Let's go to the build tool. And we're going to look at all of it in 3D and see if that's any better. I think we might have progress here. Let's go up. Yeah, looks like that's good there. All right, I think that does it. So that's what we have to do, is have to go through that, pick a section, and there we might learn something more from this. So if you learn anything else, please share with the group. But go to edit unit, and from there you're going to just not make any changes, or go to customize, not make any changes, and then click submit. And that seems to clean up the look, which obviously can be a deterrent when you're showing that to a client. So hope this helps. Thanks so much.